How does a solution come into being? That one very special product. The journey starts here, or here. Or here. And always here. We are experienced professionals. Perfectionists to the core. Experimenters and sticklers for detail. Ambitious explorers. Forward-thinking preservers of heritage. Deft designers. And passionate idealists. Opposites aren't in contradiction here. They complement each other and spur each other on. Big and imposing, but small and intricate too. Tried and tested, yet continually innovative. Yesterday and tomorrow. Traditional craftsmanship, but also next-generation technology. We focus and channel light. But we provide protection against it too. We deal in durability and perfection of form. We focus on the surface, but we are never superficial. We are all about strength and movement, upwards, sideways, but always, and most importantly, forwards. We are efficient, and so is our IT. Higher, faster, further, with you and for you. We always start with a challenge and finish with a product. The result of our dedication to achieving the best solution. You can hear it. You can feel it. And ultimately, you can see it too. Here at home in Saxony, but all around the world as well. This is how diversity becomes unity. Together, we can meet any challenge. Each and every one of us. Welcome to the Production Network.